congratulations on a great season. Okay, if it wasn't for Kenston, we'd be undefeated. Okay, Kenston ended up winning the championship, and I really believe that the championship game was when we played when we lost 6-0. And like I said to you guys, I said to you guys after the game, and I talked about it in the email to your parents, the growth that we made from when they whipped us up pretty good in week 2 and they beat us 19-6 to a 6-0 game. We were right there with them the whole time. You guys should be very proud of yourselves. And as a coach, we ask you guys to do, give it all, every play, every game, leave everything on the field. And you guys absolutely did that. You played very well. And as a head coach, very proud of you guys. So congratulations on a great season. You should be very proud of yourselves. Okay. Secondly, I want to thank the coaches. Football's a unique sport where there's a lot of behind the scene things that happen and a lot of communication between the coaches. It's a long season, 3-4 practices a week, and we really do a good job of planning practices and having things that we want to work on each and every week. And I want to thank my coaches, Paul Hermensky, Dave McCullen, Dale Leffel, offense coordinator Randy Levack, and defense coordinator Billy Kish for all their hard work and effort this year. Wouldn't be possible without them. That being said, and I want to thank all the parents for the support. We told you guys at the beginning of the year we run. Our goal was to run the varsity offense, and we're in constant contact with the head coaches, and Coach Kish talks to the head coach about defenses, because our goal this year and every year is not to just win games, but to prepare these kids for the next level. Whether that next level is middle school football, high school football, college football. We ran a very unique offense with the spread offense. We ran a 4-4 on defense, 5-3. We ran a 6-3. We ran multiple defenses all year, and we did a lot of things with our kids that normal 3rd and 4th grade teams just don't do. And you guys did an excellent job of being coachable, of coming to practice each week and working hard. And parents, I seriously mean this, is your kids and their effort each practice and each game are a reflection of what is happening at home. So thank you for being good parents, getting them to practice on time, washing the uniform. So guys, give your parents a round of applause. All right, another first-year player, but a 4th grader, Nolan. Nolan, go ahead and stand up. I keep saying we were very small, a very small team. Nolan played receiver for us this year, and again, someone that improved as the year went on. And if you go back on our game film, and the coaches would comment on the following Monday and Sunday to watch the film, you had some unbelievable downfield blocks that sprang some big runs for Charlie and Andrew and those types of things. So again, someone that got Charlie again from last year to this year, he played a very demanding position in the quarterback in the things that we did. And you mentally, the growth that you made from last year to this year, the maturity you showed, and the calmness you showed, running the offense, keeping everything under control, the smarts of knowing the ins and outs of the offense, and correcting your father during practice, and me. But Charlie, seriously, you did a great job this year for us offensively. Defensively, you're able to turn it on and have that defensive mindset and be able to keep that motor going, and you're someone that just likes to go. Made some great tackles on defense and made great decisions and single-handedly kept us in some ball games this year. So great job, Charlie Levack. Jason Janasek. Jason, again, first year playing football. Jason, great athlete, great hands, played the slot receiver for us this year, caught a couple touchdown passes. ran the ball on offense. On defense, started the year at safety. We as a coaching staff made a decision we were going to change some things around. We moved you to defensive end, and our goal at defensive end was to use your athleticism, use your speed to shut down that side of the field and get to the quarterback. And again, someone coachable that was able to play multiple positions that helped us have a great year. So great job, Jason. Connor Wamba, again, probably Connor, I would say Andrew, great, sorry, right there, right in front of me. Andrew, great job this year. I'll tell you what, put you at outside linebacker, and you were in on so many tackles this year. If they weren't solo, they were assists. You had a nose for the football and going to get it, and you had never played linebacker before. So again, each week, improvement and in on more tackles and understanding the position. And then also, you playing running back this year and then flipping to line, okay? Being unselfish and letting some other people get out of St. George. Offensive line for us this year, defensive line for us this year. And again, someone that you can turn it on and off, and you are unstoppable at that defensive line, causing havoc, letting our linebackers come up and make plays and asking, you did everything we asked you to do. And again, didn't leave the field much this year. And it was a little different from last year. You played a lot of offense, a lot of defense, and you got better each week. Okay, hope you continue to play, and did a great job of being coachable, being in practice. Great job, conversation. Drew. Drew started a little bit later this year. He was down in Florida with his mom, and he was on a holdout, coach. Yeah, a holdout. Couldn't get the bonus check. He missed the first 3 weeks, but Drew, you came in, and again, we threw a lot of different things at you real quick. We threw that offensive tackle position at you. We threw receiver at you. You played defensive end this year. You played linebacker this year, and again, you did a great job of being. Logan Kish. Logan's my favorite, as you can tell. Absolutely amazing. Defensively, again, an anchor at that defensive line, causing havoc. I would say 50 to 70% of the plays you were getting help. Okay, but you kept going, didn't get frustrated, and you did a great job all year. Logan, great job. So, last portrait, I think I got everyone right, except for Tyler. So Tyler, it's very tough to be the son of the head coach. And, you did a great job this year, and as a coach and as a father, the growth that you showed from last year to this year was absolutely amazing. You're blocking this year. We asked you to do some things from that slot position that almost made you like another tackle. Against Kenston, we kept you in for extra protection to kind of help Charlie out and do some things, and you did a great job at cornerback. You played the run well. You didn't let people get outside of you, and you just played hard, tough-nosed defense all year. There was only one time where we left practice together that you wouldn't talk to me, and I think that's a good year. But Tyler, I was really proud of your growth this year as a player, as a leader on this team, and I'm proud of you as a coach and as a father. So thank you very much. Hold on, real quick. All right, he stood up here and talked about everyone else, all right? None of this year would have been possible without him. Yeah! The coaching staff is a mess without him. When he's not there, you guys all admit we're a mess when he's not there. Randy, we have trouble breaking a huddle.
breaking a practice when he's not there. But no, seriously, guys. I mean, we all talk as coaches. We argue at times. He's